Good morning children. In today's class we are going to see the new lesson our food. Okay. So before moving into the class, we'll start up the class by doing meditation. Everybody sit up straight. Slowly close your eyes. Clasp your fingers. Keep it on your lap. Now slowly breathe in. Slowly breathe out. Breathe in. 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 Breathe out. Okay. So now we'll see the warm-up activity given in your textbook. Everybody take out your textbook. Take out your textbook, page number 73 children. You can see here. So they have given a warm-up activity in your textbook. I'll read that. How do you feel when you return home from school? How do you feel when you return home from the school? So I feel tired children. How do you feel? Some may feel hungry. Some may feel very active also. So how do you feel? So they have asked us to circle the answer. Okay. So I'll feel tired. See first one. I am going to circle it. So maybe you may feel hungry. You can circle it. Or active. You can circle it. Okay. Next one is when you are hungry and tired, you cannot do much work. When you are hungry and tired, you cannot do much work. You would like to eat something. You would like to eat something. So then only you will get energy when you eat only. Name any two things you have for dinner. What are the two things you had for dinner? So what, rice, okay, dal, okay. Or something what you had. You write it here. Name two healthy snacks you eat regularly. So what you eat regularly, healthy snacks, fruits or vegetables, what you have, you can write it here. Okay children. Now we'll move into the lesson. Food. So we need food. We eat food to be healthy. We eat food to live, to grow. Food give us energy. Food give us energy to play, to work, isn't it? So food, we need food children. Everybody needs food. Without food we can't live. Okay. So food. We eat food to be strong, healthy and active also. To do work, to play. Okay. So the food we eat is called diet. The food which we eat is called diet. Okay. So our body needs different kinds of food children. Our body needs different kinds of food to stay healthy. So our body needs not only the one kind of food. It needs it only if you all eat the fruits. No, it won't give all of the energy to your body. Okay, so our body needs different kinds of food. There are three main food groups children which we must include in our daily diet. Okay, so there are three main groups which we must include in our daily diet. Okay, so the food which we eat daily is called diet. Okay children, understood what I told? So we need food to grow. Food gives us energy to work and play. The food which we eat is called diet. Okay, our body needs different kinds of food, not only the one kind. It needs different kinds of food to stay healthy. Okay, so there are three main food groups. So we will see that three main food groups. What are they? Okay, now we'll see the three main groups. First one is energy giving food. Second is body building food. Next one is protective food. Okay, first one, energy giving food. So energy giving food contains carbohydrates and fats children, which these food gives us energy to play, work. It gives us energy to be active. Okay, so energy giving food contains carbohydrates, fats. Okay, it helps us to these kinds of food helps us to maintain our energy, and it helps us to work, play and even to be active. Okay children, so example, the foods like bread, rice, cheese, butter, these foods contains carbohydrates. These foods contain carbohydrates which you should eat for energy. Okay, next one is bodybuilding food. So bodybuilding food contains proteins, children. These foods helps us to grow, like egg, milk, fish. Okay, these kinds of food helps us to grow. Okay, these foods contain proteins in it. Okay, so that food is called as bodybuilding food. Okay, so like eggs, milk, fish, these foods contain protein in it, children. So we eat these types of food. Next one is protective foods. Protective foods are like vegetables and fruits. We should eat vegetables and fruit which keep us healthy and strong, children. So bodybuilding food helps us to grow, but protective food keeps us healthy and strong. We should eat fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are only called as protective foods. Okay, understood what is energy giving food, bodybuilding food and protective food? We must include these three kinds of foods in our daily diet, children. Okay, we should include these three kinds of food in a diet. Okay, some people do not eat meat, children. We call them as vegetarian. So they must eat nuts, pulses. Okay, so then only they will get energy. Okay, they don't eat meat, they are vegetarians. Some people eat meat, they should eat lots of vegetables and fruit. Who eat meat, we call them as non-vegetarian. Okay, who eat meat, we call them as non-vegetarian. So they must eat vegetables and fruits a lot. Okay, so then only they will be healthy, children. Okay, so who doesn't eat meat, they are vegetarian. Who eat meat are non-vegetarian. Okay, understood what is vegetarian and non-vegetarian? Yes. Where do we get our food from, children? Next is, where do we get our food from? So in the previous, in first standard itself, you all learned where does our food come from. So our food comes from like pulses, grains, come from the plants, children. The pulses, grains, vegetables, fruits comes from plants. Next, meat, eggs, milks, these come from the animals. Okay, so fruits, vegetables come from the big farm, and even we can grow that in our garden also. And the meat, eggs, milk come from the animal farm. Okay, so these are the places where we get our food. Okay, our food comes from plants and animals only. Understood? Our food comes from plants and animals. Beside we must eat. There should be a good eating habit also, children. Okay, beside the healthy diet, we must also have a good eating habit. Okay, to stay healthy. Okay, here are some points they have given how to eat. Okay, how to eat. Okay, so we must eat at fixed time, children. We must eat at fixed time. We must wash our hands before and after our meals. We must wash our hands before and after our meal. We must eat at the fixed time, children. First point is we must eat at the fixed point. Next one is we must wash our hands before and after our meals. Understood? Before and after our meals. Eat plenty of fruits and vegetables, children. Eat plenty of fruits and vegetables. At least drink 8 glasses of water. At least a day you should drink 8 glasses of water. Okay, so chew your food well, children. Chew it properly. Chew your food well. Eat in a pleasant and happy mood. Okay, you should eat in pleasant and happy mood. These are the points you should follow to stay healthy, children. Eating habits. These are the eating habits you should follow. Okay, so eat at the fixed time, children. Eat at the fixed time. Eat at the fixed time. Wash your hands before and after your meals. Eat plenty of fruits and vegetables. Eat plenty of fruits and vegetables. Wash your hands before and after your meals. Eat plenty of fruits and vegetables. Drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. Chew your food properly. Chew your food properly. Eat in a happy and pleasant mood, children. Okay, these are the points you should follow daily. Okay, so you should follow this. With this lesson is over. Now we will see the exercise part of this lesson. Okay, now we will see the exercise part for this lesson, children. Strike out the word that is not correct. Okay, carbohydrates, proteins give us energy. Carbohydrates or proteins give us energy, children? Yes, carbohydrates. Now they asked us to strike out the wrong word. So protein is wrong. We must drink plenty of water. Juice every day. So water or juice? Yes, you should drink plenty of water, not the juice. Fish, eggs and pulses are rich in fats, proteins. So it is rich in proteins, not the fats. So strike out fat. A list of food items are given in the box. Place them in their correct columns. Okay. So fruits, pulses, eggs, vegetables, rice, butter, bread, nuts, fish. So fruits. Fruits are energy giving food, bodybuilding or protective? Yes, it is protective. Fruits. Fruits. Okay. Write in protective column. Next one is pulses. So pulses are bodybuilding food. Pulses. Pulses. So next one is eggs. Eggs contain proteins. So it is also bodybuilding foods. Vegetables are protective foods. Okay. Next one is rice. Rice are energy giving food. R-I-C-E, rice. Okay, sorry. Next one is butter. Butter is also energy giving food. Bread. Even bread is energy giving food. Okay. Nuts. Nuts are protective foods. N-U-T-S. Next one, last one is fish. Fish contains protein. It is bodybuilding food. F-I-S-H. Fish. Okay. So copy down this in your textbooks, children. Fill in the blanks. Vegetarians do not eat meat. Yes, M-E-A-T. Meat. Okay. Vegetarians should eat a lot of pulses. P-U-L-S-E-S. Pulses. And nuts. N-U-T-S. Nuts to stay healthy. People who eat meat should also eat a lot of fruits and vegetables to stay healthy. Okay. Answer in 1 or 2 words. What do bodybuilding food give us? Helps us to grow. Okay. Copy down. Who do we get milk, eggs and meat from? Yes, farm animals. What is the food we eat called? Diet. Okay. Copy down in your textbook, children. Next main is get busy. Rohit complains of tiredness. He cannot run about and play. The doctor asks Rohit to change his diet. Name any 3 things that Rohit must have every day to get more energy. Okay. So, you can eat bread. R-E-A-D. Bread. Rice. Potato. P-O-T-A-T-O. Potato. Okay. So, things to do. Planning a healthy meal. Children. Choose some foods from the picture below and plan 3 healthy meals for yourself. So, for breakfast, what you can have for breakfast? So, it's your wish, okay? This is your homework. You can fill. So, I'll eat egg, bread, okay? So, for lunch, I'll eat some rice or chapati. For dinner, okay? So, like that, what you eat, you can make a chart. Environment connect. Every year, 1/3 of the food produced in the world gets wasted. Food does not reach our plate by magic. Every time food is wasted, the water, energy, time, human power, land, fertilizer, fuel, packaging and money put into growing, preparing, storing, transporting and cooking the food are also wasted. In short, reducing wastage of food saves the environment and money. Try not to waste food. So what they are saying is, do not waste food. Without wasting food, you can help the environment. Okay, children, do not waste food. Okay, there are many people who doesn't have food to eat, so we must not waste food, children. God has given us so much. We must always thank God for that, and we must not waste food. Answer in a sentence. So next point, copy down this in your classwork, children. Why do we need food? We need food to grow, get energy, to work and stay healthy. Repeat after me. We need food to grow, get energy, to work and stay healthy. Okay. Next one. Write any one good eating habit. Okay. So which one is easy for you? You can write that. They have given 6 points. 6 points they have given, children. You can write which is easy for you. I have written washing hands before and after eating. Repeat after me. Washing hands before and after eating. Next one. What are protective foods? Protective foods are vitamins and minerals help us to be strong and healthy. They protect our body from illness. Repeat after me, children. Protective foods are vitamins and minerals help us to be strong and healthy. They protect our body from illness. Okay, copy down this in your classwork and keep learning, children. With this, I finish the class. In the next class, we'll see a new topic. Take care. Bye. Thank you.